Okay, guys, I'm back in Trainual. What I got here is, um, let's say I have a user named William, and I want to assign some things for that person, different modules for a coach. I need to be able to add or subtract modules. So here's how we're going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and click on William. When I click on him, again, I start over. I went to users. I've logged in. I went to users. I'm going to go ahead and click on William. And when I click on him, I'll go to manage, assign subjects. And then I'm going to assign the subjects, right? So basically, obviously this would have to be in a separate video, but if I want to assign a coach bootcamp onboarding, I'm just going to click the plus button, right? And I've assigned him that 0% is completed. If I want to assign the daily lead protocol, I can do that. If I want to take it off, I press the X's. So that's pretty much how I'm kind of rocking with this. So basically, I want to assign William bootcamp coaching onboarding. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and I'm going to click save. You're about to update the status of the user. I'm going to go to confirm. Let's confirm. Subjects were successfully shared. Now this person can start their bootcamp onboarding. If I want to delete it, I'll just come into manage assign subjects. I'll click this, and I will go to save. Did I do that right? Oh, click remove. Okay. No subjects have been assigned yet, and then I can go to save. So you are about to update, confirm. Changes where subjects were successfully assigned. Now in this case, double check there's nothing here. I'm just going to go ahead and assign this back because I'm going to use something for later. So that's how you assign a different subject or topic to somebody in the Trainual app.